So, good evening, traders. This is Greenleaf FX. So, today we are going to look at Euro USD, and I think there's something is trying to. There's a form up. There's a setup that is coming through. So, as you can see, this is where the market is currently. This area, and as you can see, this is a very important area because we are at resistance. Okay, because you can see the market broke this here. As you can see, this again was resistance here. It was again resistance here, again here, and here it was support. Okay, so that being said, what I'm hoping for, as you can see, long term we are going down is a bearish market, but inside this big bearish market we have a bullish market. Okay, because you can see this, you see these big candles. There's this big candle here, these ones, and now currently this one. So what I'm expecting coming Monday, either from this level we can see a big push, okay, to retest this high, because you can see there are some sellers seated here. Okay, so and then from here, then if we see some sell setup forming here, then we can take this market all the way down. Okay, that is option number one. Or what can happen, we can see from here the market can retest this zone, and then from here, if we start to see rejections here, then we'll go long, we'll buy all the way to around this area. Because the reason why we can see this retracement and the market can go up, because as you can see we still have some bullish pressure, you see, from here, you see. So anytime you see a W, this is a W formation, this is the neckline. Okay, so that's why I'm anticipating the market to come down, retest here, and then from here the market can go up, and then from here, because we have these guys seated here, then from here we can see, you know, continuation to the downtown. Because I don't think euro will go all the way up. I don't see that happening. Reason being, there's a lot of things that is happening right now in Europe. You already know that. You know, it's going to they are heading to winter, and you already know what is happening. The war in Russia and Ukraine, and then other than that, the Feds are raising interest rates because they want to curb the inflation. So the dollar will continue pushing up. So based on those two catalysts, that's why I think this will be a temporary move, this up move, because I don't think euro will be that strong. However, if anything changes, the market, the Feds can do whatever they want to do, but until they cap this inflation thing, so they are going to keep on raising interest rates. So dollar will keep going up. So and when dollar goes up, then these guys will be going down. So this is what I see happening on Euro USD. Okay, so that's the setup I see. So we are hoping that from this area you need to be careful here, because anything can happen from here. We can see a push up, then maybe down, and then maybe up to retest this zone here, and then finally the market will start dropping slowly. Not just like this. It can decide to come down in whichever style it decides to come down. All in all, we know the market is going down. As you can see, this market is bearish. You see, we've been bearish for quite some time. The market has been going down. So this is the kind of setup I think Euro USD will do, just to come and test this zone here. Okay, and again it will be testing again this trend line, as you can see. So if you can get this test here, then the market will continue pushing up, breaking this low, even hopefully breaking this low, and then maybe coming to retest this zone here. So something like that. So that's what I think the market will do this coming week. So let's see. Let's wait and see. So trade carefully, and we'll see how the market will play out.